Yes. Hi everyone. Hope everyone are doing good. So in today's section, I'm going to explain the very first unit in our computerized accounting, which is there in our Sem 5 of BCom final years. So in this computerized accounting, the very first unit, the important topic which we are going to explain, which we are going to discuss now. So what is that means? Hope you can see here. With the example I have mentioned here, the first important topic which we are having is how to create company and how to alter the company in our Tally ERP9. And at present we are having Tally Prime, but in the syllabus of Usmania University, still we are having the working in Tally ERP9. So we are going to see that process in the same Tally ERP9. Before seeing that, once we will make a look into our question. If you are looking into our question, so what is that? So ABC Limited was started. ABC Limited was started in the year 2002, 1st April with the following details. What are those details means? They have given the address details, PIN code, state and mobile number, fax number, email, website. And after creation of company, we are also going to see how to alter the company as well. So that means in today's section, we are going to learn how to create a company as well as how to alter a company. From unit 1, we are going to discuss two important topics for exam as well. That is creation of company as well as alteration of company. So we'll do that step by step clearly and neat and clear with including the steps. So I'm starting with the Tally software. Yes, now I'm going to start with the Tally software. You can see that. Yes, I'm trying to share you the Tally screen. Yes, I'm trying to share you the Tally screen first. So this is our Tally screen. Hope you can see that screen. So this is a startup page of Tally ERP9 which we are having. Based upon the question, this is the startup page of Tally ERP9. So first I would like to explain within 2 minutes what are these points. So first we are having licensing operation. So Tally we are going to work in two ways, which we can work in licensed version and also we can work in the work in education mode. What is the difference of licensed version and work in education mode means? In work in education mode, so we can pass journal entries only the month ending or month beginning. Coming to the licensed version, we can pass entries on any day. So that is the major difference which you are having. So now all our class, whatever we are going to discuss, we are going to see only in our work in education mode. So now I'm going to start with our problem. What is that means? How to create a company. For creation of company, the very first step what we are having means in this startup page, we have to select work in education mode by using directly the shortcut key W in your keyboard. If you are using shortcut key W in your keyboard, it will come for the point of work in education mode. So I'm saying step one. Step one is in the startup page, we have to select work in education mode. So once if you are selecting this work in education mode, so then it is going to get the company info screen. Sometimes it will display, instead of displaying company info screen, directly it is going to ask you, instead of displaying company info screen, it will ask you the first page of gateway of Tally. I will show you. So whenever you are, if already some companies are created, then it will display gateway of Tally or else it will display company info. Whenever it is displaying gateway of Tally, then we have to use the shortcut key. This is the second step. The very first step is in startup page, we went for work in education mode by using the shortcut key W. Next step two, in step two, if it is displaying gateway of Tally, now we have to use the shortcut key Alt plus F1. in our keyboard. What is the shortcut key which we have to use means that is Alt plus F1. Whenever you are using our shortcut key Alt plus F1, then it is going to get display of our company info screen. And here, now step 3. In company info screen, if you have observed, you can find the name called create a company. So now you have to click on this create a company. Whenever you are clicking on that create a company, now step 4. What is that step 4 means? We have to fill the details, whatever they have given here. What are the details we are having here? First one is name. So once again, I will try to share you the question what we are having. So what is that? So please make a look into this. So what is the company name we are having? Company name is ABC Limited, was started in the year 2001. So whatever the company name it is going to ask means ABC Limited. So the same company name here I have to give it. So what is the company name? That is ABC Limited is the company name. And whatever the company name here I am going to give you, that the same mailing name is going to get displayed. Next, it is going to ask for the address. So in the question we are having address, the same address we are trying to give now. So I'm entering that address. So H117 Madhura Nagar. So I'm giving that address, whatever we are having in our question. SR Nagar. So the next very important thing is selecting of country. So why I'm saying selecting of country is very important means whatever the country you are selecting, if you are observing here, the country which I have selected is India. And for suppose if I'm selecting some other country now, if I'm selecting Australia, see the difference. Whenever we are selecting the state of Australia, under basic currency information, the currency details is going to change. What is going to happen? Whenever we are selecting the company, the country, based upon the country, this basic currency information is going to get changed. The very important thing which you have to do is selecting of country. So now I'm changing the country to India now. So if you are selecting the country as India, now if you are observing the basic currency details, now it is displaying basic currency as INR, nothing but Indian rupees. And in the question, they have given that this business is in the state of Telangana. And in the question, they have given the PIN number, mobile number, so phone number. I'm entering this phone number, also some number. So next, they are asking to enter some fax number. And many people are confusing here. Fax number in the sense, it is also like a phone number. So whatever the fax number we are having, if you want to send me any printout to my fax directly, if you are giving my number and clicking on send, it is going to come for my fax directly. So next we are having email of the company. So I am giving that company email by entering these details. Next we are having company's website. .in I am giving. So the next important thing is from which date your books are going to begin from. If you have observed the question, they have given that the business is going to start from 1st April 2022. The same day I'm going to start my books as well. So next what we are having means that is security control. Security control in the sense here, if you want to give any kind of password to the company which we have created, then we can give this password over here. So I'm not giving any kind of password here. And next we are having the concept of basic currency information. Under this basic currency information, this basic currency information is going to be changed based upon the country. So we discussed it before. If country you are selecting India, then it will come as basic currency as INR. If you're selecting Australia, then it is going to show as dollar. Nothing but whatever the country you are selecting there, it is going to get the basic currency information is also same. So once again, I'm going to explain you from step 1. The step 1, what we are having means that is the startup page. In startup page, we have to select our work in education mode. Once if you are selecting work in education mode, then if any companies are already created, then we will get one primary screen. We call it as primary screen, that is gateway of Tally. So now step 2, whenever that gateway of Tally screen is going to get displayed, then we have to use the shortcut key Alt plus F1. So whenever you are using Alt plus F1, then step 3, then it is going to get displayed of company information. In company information, we have to select create company. Whenever you are selecting this, then it will display you the option called company creation. So then we have to enter the name, and remember this, whatever the name we are giving, the mailing name will also display the same. And I have entered the address and all. The important thing is selecting of country. What is the reason for selecting of country is important? Means whatever the country you are selecting, the same thing is going to get displayed under basic currency information. That is the important thing which you are having. Okay, so and at the last step is for saving of this company. Step 5, we have to use the shortcut key, that is Control plus A. If you are using the shortcut key Control plus A, so then this company is going to get saved. So what is the shortcut key for saving? Means that is Control plus A. Then it is going to get saved. So as why it is not getting saved means because on this name there is already some companies. That is the reason it is not getting saved. Just I'm giving as one. Now we can save this directly. So what is the shortcut key for saving? That is Control plus A is a shortcut key for saving of this company. Now here you can see that company, that is ABC Limited, which got saved in our Tally. This is the process how to create a company. So now the same thing we will show you how to alter a company. For alteration of company, so now the question what we are going to see, that is second concept, that is alteration of company. How to alter a company means, now which company you have to alter? First we have to select that company. So for selection of company, the shortcut key which we have to use is just F1. So if you are clicking on F1, then it will display you the companies. See, here you can observe there are n number of companies which got selected on ABC Limited. So now I am selecting this ABC Limited 1. So what is the first step? So while you are making alteration of company, first we have to select the company which you are thinking to alter. So now step 2, whenever gateway of Tally screen is going to get displayed, now here the shortcut key which you have to use for alteration is Alt plus F3. What is the shortcut key here we have to use? For company creation also we can use Alt plus F3, and also we can use Alt plus F1. But for alteration, remember we have to use only Alt plus F3. We cannot use Alt plus F1. Whenever you are using Alt plus F1, then the option of alter symbol is not going to get displayed. So now step 2 is for alteration under the screen of gateway of Tally, we have to use the shortcut key Alt plus F3. So now step 4, in Alt plus F3, we have to go for the option of alter. So now I'm selecting this company as ABC Limited, and please observe the screen. Whenever you are creating the company, it will get displayed as company creation screen. And whenever you are making alteration, it is going to get the name as company alteration. That is the difference on the top name. Now, what is the name we have to make alteration? Just we can see out the question, what is the name it is there. So in the question, once after creation of company, later on the company name change it to Happy Limited with the same address. So nothing but only the name of the company got changed to Happy Limited. So here directly we can change the name Happy Limited. And for saving, we can use the shortcut key Control plus A. And if you have observed, while you have entered ABC Limited, automatically mailing name also got changed. Now for saving of this, the shortcut key is Control plus A. So now you can see this Happy Limited. This is the process how we are going to make alteration as well. So once again, I'm going to tell you how to make alteration steps as well. For alteration in gateway of Tally screen, so the very first step is we have to select the company, which company we are thinking to alter. After selecting the company, step 2 is we have to use the shortcut key for alteration, that is Alt plus F3. Once if you are selecting Alt plus F3 shortcut key, then it is going to get displayed So what it is going to get displayed, you can see here, company info. In company info, we have to select the option called alter. Whenever you are selecting the alter, then the screen it will display as company alteration. And after making changes, the last step we have to use is control plus A for saving of the company. This is the process how we are going to create the company and how we are going to alter the company. Okay, so make a look into this video, you will get more clarity. And guys, please do share this video for getting of more updates. Please do subscribe as well, and I will upload this completely from unit 1 to unit 5, all important topics from each and every unit. Okay, so thank you all once again. Thank you all, everyone.